welcome back to my cozy kitchen. Today we're making pancakes, but these ones are going to be pink. We're adding beetroot, and you can use sweet toppings or savory ones.
Using the power blender, start by adding 1 beetroot and 1 free-range egg, 350 milliliters of plant-based milk, pinch of salt, and blend until you get a smooth consistency. Add 120 grams of spelt flour or buckwheat flour. Blend again. Using the coconut oil, fry them on both sides. Serve with avocado, hummus, and fresh greens.
Don't these look ridiculously beautiful? I promise that your kids are going to love them. Please feel free to change up the toppings to whatever you and your kids enjoy. Let's try this. Very nice.
Gorenje.